Hey, Scotty, Bernsey pointed this out to me.
Huh?
Hi!
Right?
I have no idea.
I don't get it. I'm laughing like I'm high too.
Well, we were spray painting and brake cleaning it right here.
Oh, dude,
So
I had to go outside.
we might be a little on the special.
Oh, we are special.
Are you... Scotty, we're doing a video.
He's playing with his dignity.
No, he's fixing the tape thing.
Well, he says his ball's hanging that way. So.
Oh, God. Okay, so Scotty, tell me what we got going here. I see that you got the grill off the rest of the way.
Yep.
All the wiring unhooked.
And we're going to have to replace this connector, which I showed in the previous video.
Yeah.
It just snapped. It was just completely facocked inside there.
Done.
So I've got everything cleaned up. I don't have everything painted yet. I got a good portion of it painted.
Well, we got to get it down.
Right.
Because
And
those AC hoses
I have to
gotta
stop
come
because
out.
we're going to be doing the brake lines.
And you're going to start on the brake
Yep.
hard lines. AC hoses.
I've
need
got
to
them
come
put.
out.
I've got them put aside,
But
minus
these-
these two right here,
Yeah.
because they're going to have to be taken out from the inside.
Yeah.
Inside out?
Yeah, inside out, outside in, whatever works for you.
Oh, yeah.
There's some random capillary tube that I don't know what it goes to. That's
We've
up
got some of
there.
these veins in here.
Well, look at that. No, there's like vacuum line clear.
Oh, it's for the windshield wiper fluid.
Oh, that's someone.
I can see it.
Someone got creative with that.
Yep.
So this nasty booster master will be going bye-bye.
Booster master booster.
The
Master mooster.
The bastard booster.
Yeah.
I like that.
Okay, so
Damn,
now
that
out.
gearbox looks good in there though.
I know, everything looks nice right there.
The new rag joint.
Yep.
That's all done and nice. So these lines got to come out. Everything's got to be cleaned up. And all the rubber's got to be replaced. Heater hoses, that's easy enough.
Yeah.
We can do that when we get the motor back. But the hard lines for the brakes, that's the next step Scotty's going to be on. And then whatever little bit we need to make, if anything, I don't think we'll have to set it up for the disc brakes. We could actually get the brake system done and be done with all that. Imagine the brakes are done and everything.
Hi.
Oh yeah, hi again. Scotty, I can't see you for the cross member.
Hi.
Can't see your face, there was a member over it.
Go figure.
And with that, I bid you adieu.